In the government, you've got employee fraud, timesheet fraud, travel fraud, credit card fraud, transit benefit subsidy fraud. Those are very frequent ones. But in the federal government as a whole, most of your fraud, number-wise, would be either tax fraud or entitlement fraud. Tax fraud being every year, IRS estimates over $300 billion of what's called a tax gap. And that's the difference between the amount of taxes that should be collected and what actually gets collected. So right there, you have millions of people committing tax fraud every year. We have a lot of tools in our toolbox in FSI. We use data mining, data matching. There's a forensic audit side of this where you delve into the actual details behind transactions. We have investigative tools, national criminal investigative checks we can do. And one of the unique tools we use is undercover testing. So in addition to identifying the fraudsters and the crimes that they commit, we actually commit the fraud ourselves. And we try in certain cases to steal money from federal agencies. And it's a very good way to find out what the controls actually are to prevent fraud in the United States government. I preach prevention all the time. Prevention is the most important, and we've found over time that it's the most efficient means to minimize fraud, waste, and abuse in the federal government. So we preach strong fraud prevention control programs for federal agencies. We're always looking to improve, and I know that the programs you have here at ACFE, we utilize those every year. We use training every year, so we try to make sure that our people are trained, and we're always looking for new technology. And for example, recently we procured software that helps us data mine emails. It's just things that we're always looking to improve our capabilities and the ability for us to do our work.